Everyone tells you to start a blog or chase a side hustle, but here's what actually works to build real wealth. Last month alone, I made $3,275 in passive income without any crazy hustle. And if you're over 40 and still trading time for money, this changes everything. I used to be exhausted and stuck, working hard but getting nowhere. Everything changed when I stopped watching how rich people spend and started paying close attention to how they think. And once I made just 5 small but powerful shifts, my entire financial life transformed. I quadrupled my income, gained clarity, and cut all the noise holding me back. So today, I'm sharing those exact habits shamelessly stolen from ultra wealthy so you can do the same. And if you ever wondered what successful people really do differently, this is it. Number 1, I set boundaries with my time. This one was really hard for me because I was always taught that being busy meant being successful, that being available made me kind, that saying yes made me helpful. But the more successful people I spent time around, the more I noticed something powerful. They don't give their time away casually, ever. They're polite, they're gracious, but they're fierce with their calendars. I used to take every call, reply to every email within minutes, attend Zoom meetings that drained me, and give time to people who frankly didn't respect it. And guess what? I was exhausted. I wasn't growing. I was stuck in a loop. When I finally set real boundaries, like scheduling deep working hours, saying no to energy drainers, and only taking meetings that align with my goals, I reclaimed my most precious currency, my attention. And when your energy is no longer scattered across 100 things, you become laser focused on what actually matters, and that's where wealth is created. Now, I ask one question before I commit to anything. Is this moving me towards the life I'm building or away from it? Next, I make decisions quickly. I used to overthink everything from what font to use in my lead magnet to whether I should launch a course or wait until it's perfect. And here's the brutal truth. Overthinking is a poverty habit, and that's why you need to learn how to make decisions quickly. Wealthy people don't waste time obsessing over perfect outcomes. They move quickly and trust that they can adjust as they go. One moment that really stuck with me, a mentor of mine who runs a multi-million-dollar business once said, "Eliza, I don't need 100% certainty to take action. I need 60% and a good night's sleep." That blew my mind, honestly, so I started shifting. Instead of mulling over decisions for weeks, I created a rule: decide within 24 hours, execute within 7 days. I launched my first ebook in 1 week. Was it perfect? No. Did it sell? Yes, and it gave me data to improve. Success isn't about flawless planning, it's about momentum. Next up, I killed perfectionism. Now let's talk about this silent dream killer. It sounds noble, like you have high standards, right? But really, it's fear. Fear of being seen, fear of failing, fear of not being enough. I used to spend weeks on tiny details, choosing between 2 nearly identical shades of beige for my website, rewriting emails until I no longer sounded like myself, recording a video 5 times and still never publishing it. But then I started paying attention. The wealthy people I admired, they launched things fast. They didn't wait for perfection, they made it better after it was out in the world. So I challenged myself. I released my first course before I felt ready. I published my first finance book in a single afternoon. And guess what? Nobody cared that it wasn't perfect. They cared that it helped them. And here is the truth I live by now. Done makes money. Perfect keeps you stuck. The most empowering mindset shifts I made. I used to think of money as something to spend. It sat in my account waiting to disappear on clothes, dinners or trendy gadgets. I was earning more but still not building wealth. That changed when I learned this. Wealthy people don't just make money, they make money work for them. And I started small. My first dividend paying stock was under $100. Then I bought a tiny piece of real estate with a friend. It didn't cash flow much, but it taught me everything. So eventually, I invested in my own online business, my course, my content, my brand, and suddenly my money wasn't just sitting, it was multiplying. Now every financial decision runs through this filter. Does the thing make me more money or adds more clutter? And lastly, I learned how to delegate. This was my final hurdle because for the longest time I equated doing it all with strengths. I was editing my own videos, answering every single email, managing my schedule, my content, my platforms all alone. And I was drowning, honestly. Then I noticed that every successful person I admired had help, not because they were lazy, but because they were focused. And the moment I hired my first video editor, everything changed. I stopped spending hours on editing, which was extremely daunting, and instead focused on creation. I wrote more, filmed more, connected more, and more revenue follows. Now I delegate ruthlessly. Email, editing, book cover designs, even part of my launch planning, because every hour I buy back is an hour I spend on growth. Delegation isn't about letting go of control. It's about choosing your highest value and living there. So let me leave you with this. You don't need a rich family, a fancy degree, or a lot of money to begin. What you need are the right mindset shifts. Guard your time like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. Trust yourself to decide quickly and move forward. Release perfection. Action is what creates momentum. And invest in things that grow, not things that destruct. And most importantly, stop trying to do it all alone. You were not meant to. Almost everything can be figured out if you stay curious, committed, and courageous. That's what changed my life, and it can change yours too. If you found this video valuable, you will love my weekly newsletter filled with practical strategies, mindset shifts, and elegant ways to build your income and independence after 40. Join our growing community, the link in the description down below. So those are 5 millionaire habits that have really changed the trajectory of my life. And if you like this video, you might also enjoy this one right here on how to become rich.